Kanyo mopogore opogore mawuok e kaunti ma Kisii ochokore e alap mar Gusii mar yango juma ma piny ngima dhiale nyithindo madang'ni e bombe. E kinde nyasino rowere modhuro dang'ni e bombe ma Kisii bende notwak kod ji mar yango moko kuom midhiero ma gikale e bombe ka gidwaro ni sirikal kod riwruoge ma ok mag piny owacho mondo pargie. Gikwayo mondo mi okonygi e yudo chenro mag thieth, somo e kin mamoko. Kata kamano jotelo mawuok e riwruok ma ok mar piny owacho ochiwo kwayo mondo riwruogno bedie mar konyo rowerego ahinya e tego were margi.
Tumekuwa hapa, tumekuwa na different activities, kuwalisha, kuwaongelesha na kujiburudisha, na pia tumezidi kuwaongelesha na tumepata kwamba kuna wale watoto ambao wanaishi mitaani, kuna wale wanakuja wakirudi nyumbani na kuna wale wanakaa nyumbani, wanakaa kwa street, na kuna pia wale wanakuja wako na familia zao katika street.
Today we are here celebrating International Street Children Day with the theme of participation. We are requesting for other stakeholders and the government agency to come in because we are seeing so many street kids who are very young so that they can be able to go back to school and be able to continue with their education.
Ningependa kushukuru Red Cross, nimeona ingine inajiita It's As Well, Smile of a Child kwa kujitolea kuja kukaa na sisi hapa hivi kusikia challenges zetu tunapitia. Na nawashukuru wametusikiza, wamesema watatusaidia. Kwa sawa.
So nilikuwa naomba kama ingewezekana government na county wakishirikiana tunaweza punguza hao watoto kidogo, at least waende shule, ndio kesho kutwa naye pia utakuja kupata vijana wamefaulu. Lakini tukiwaacha hivi mtaani maisha yao inaharibika.
Wadhi achiel kachiel nyaka od bura kama goro gie kinde ne idayo dho jogo e komano wal